Listen to your battery-powered radio for instructions and information concerning community.
A recent study reveals a startling statistic. India has seen a staggering increase in the prevalence of adult breastfeeding fetish, also known as ABF. This involves various activities that range from watching a woman breastfeed to gaining sexual pleasure from suckling on lactating breasts. Some even see it as a comforting ritual or a way to cope with feelings of helplessness. This unexpected rise in interest prompts us to delve deeper into this phenomenon. To understand this trend, we turn to the voices of those who partake in this fetish. In the shadows of societal norms, individuals like Jay and Tongkar have found a unique sense of comfort and pleasure in adult breastfeeding. For Jay, a man who faced the harsh reality of job loss, solace came unexpectedly in the form of his wife's lactating breasts. This intimate act became a source of reassurance, a beacon in the darkness of his despair. Then there's Tongkar. To him, adult breastfeeding is not merely an act of physical intimacy, but a ritual that transcends the confines of the bedroom, inviting in elements of affection, pleasure, and a connection that is deeply personal. These men and many others are drawn into the world of ABF, not just by curiosity, but by a magnetic pull that some suggest could be an addiction. The act of breastfeeding or engaging in nipple play, they say, can be as addictive for adults as it is comforting for infants. Yet the journey of these individuals is not without its thorns. There are instances where the pursuit of this fetish has led to negative outcomes such as aggression, further highlighting the complexity of this trend. These voices shed light on a deeply personal and often misunderstood experience. Yet, despite the personal meanings and comforts found in ABF, societal norms and taboos often overshadow these narratives. In India, the notion of adult breastfeeding is met with discomfort, not just because it sexualizes a woman's breasts, but it also challenges the traditional power dynamics by placing a man in a position of dependency. It's a practice that carries a stigma, viewed as something outside the realm of what is considered normal. This societal discomfort can escalate to consequences, such as the case of a man who, caught up in the act, became agitated and caused harm to his partner. But it's important to remember that these are individual actions, not a reflection of the practice itself.
Having a disaster